everybody and welcome to Music with Meg. I'm Meg and today we're doing something a little bit Christmassy. Everybody follow me, it's Music with Meg. Now we are going to be playing along with my favourite Christmas song, Jingle Bells. But in order to do this, we need our very own Jingle Bells. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Jingle Bells. All you're going to need are some pipe cleaners and some jingle bells. Now you can find these things at most craft shops. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a pipe cleaner. I've chosen this nice red one because it's festive. We're going to take our jingle bells and we're going to thread the pipe cleaner through the hole at the top of the jingle bell until it sits on the end like this. And then you just do the same with all your other jingle bells. You can do them in any pattern or order you like. Now once you've threaded them all together, you should have a chain of jingle bells like this. Now you take your other pipe cleaner. I've chosen green, and what we're going to do is we're going to hold the pipe cleaners together at the end and then wrap our green pipe cleaner around our jingle bells. There you go, now you've got a green and red striped jingle bell chain. Now all you need to do is get both ends and wrap them together like this. And there you have it, your very own set of jingle bells. Now you can hold them at the end like this and shake, or you can wrap them a little bit tighter and wear them as a jingle bracelet. And now we're ready to sing Jingle Bells. Now what we're going to do is shake in time with this song. When we're singing the verses, the rhythm goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the chorus, the rhythm goes like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, or jingle bells, jingle bells. All you have to do is follow me. Are you ready? Here we go. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when my next video comes. And if you want access to exclusive content, ad-free videos and more, then visit my Patreon at patreon.com/musicwithmeg. Have a lovely Christmas, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye!